You saw it right. I only use 1/3 of my training in dumbbells, or even 1/4 for that matter. You know, the rest of my training is all calisthenics. It's all bodyweight exercise. Now, this will not make you any bodybuilder. This will not make you any powerlifter or like bench presser. This will make you control your body. This will not make you an insanely huge like bear. This will not make you a little bit too strong of a man. This will make you a functional being. Some kind of superhuman, if you can call it that. Because calisthenics is aimed at controlling your own body weight. It's aimed at unlocking techniques and skills and practices by using your own body weight. So it's not like the goals that you set are not just 50 kg bench press. The goals that you set are being able to do a muscle up. It's being able to do a muscle up, 5 dips and 5 pull-ups in a row without letting go of the bar. It's being able to do a 5-second tucked planche hold. These goals are way more functional than just these numbers or the size of your muscles, right? Now, again, this will not make you any bodybuilder. This will not make you any powerlifter. This is to become a superhuman. You heard me right. A superhuman. If you heard me say the planche there, the planche is a move where you hold your entire body with straight arms and you lift it off the ground like this. So this is your entire body, right? And these are your arms. You lift your entire body with straight arms off the ground horizontally. That's the planche. It sounds like quite easy, right? Go and try it, bro. No, not at all. It's one of the most difficult things to do. Really. This practicing calisthenics will make you a superhuman. Now, I still use weights because I think it's a great way to supplement my calisthenics training and target some smaller muscle groups that these bigger combat movements which calisthenics is aimed at doesn't create. Because put a guy that does calisthenics and a guy who casually does like bodybuilding, powerlifting, just all that weight training is just like in one light thing, right? A casual like weight trainer guy, right? They both have been practicing for around about 2 years. One has only been using his body weight, and one has only been using dumbbells. Set them in a room. The calisthenics guy has more functionality in his own body than the guy that does weights. The guy that does weights, of course, he'll be able to lift like 100 kg bench press. He will be able to like a bicep curl with like 60 kg or something, of course. But if you let this guy attempt a muscle up, he will be stuck at the pull-up phase. If you let this guy attempt a planche or something, he will literally break his nose. If you let this guy try a handstand, he'll probably like pop a zipper by like the pressure of being upside down, right? I would just find this so like cool that by using your own body weight, you can be so functional. You can have such an almost superhuman control of your own like body. And this is just way more meaningful to me than 50 kg bench press. Being able to do a planche or a muscle up is just way more exciting of a goal to set than like 50 kg bench press is, for me at least. Now go ahead and think for yourself, right? You don't need to take my word. You don't need to go ahead and be a calisthenics guy right now. Just think, do you want to be a bodybuilder, a powerlifter, some kind of bench press guy? Do you want to be a casual gymmer? Or do you want to be someone who has full control of their body, of their own like relative strength? It's up to you. It really is up to you. Because if you want to be some huge bodybuilder guy, of course, like this is not gonna like help you at all. But it is gonna build a very shredded physique that I'm sure upon. Because you do a lot of reps. It's almost like some kind of endurance, but that builds muscle as well. So it will be quite shredded, right? But yeah, it's really up to you what you want to have with your own body. It's really up to you. I cannot preach one thing to you because it's really what your purpose lies to. But that's all I wanted to say. Don't only think about the gym. There's also a way to use your body outside of weights. Alright? Goodbye.